napkin?
We don't need no napkin, girl. We in the hood. Hold up, hold up. Ah. I want some good ass pizza.
What would you think if I left Emmett?
Why would you do that?
To be with you. We act like a couple anyway.
No, we don't. We act like buddies who don't hate each other. I like what we got.
And what's that?
I'm your nigga.
What?
Yeah, I'm the nigga you call when your nigga's tripping. I'm the nigga you call when your girl get locked up and you need money in a pinch. I'm the nigga who you call when your son barber canceled on him and he need a haircut real quick. I'm your nigga, Tiff. Not your husband.
Oh.
That makes sense?
Yeah.
The reality behind this video is that there are a lot of people that are currently in relationships right now that have the same mentality as this young lady. They'll one, go out and cheat, for some reason fall in love with that person with the mindset of replacing the husband, the boyfriend, the girlfriend with the person they are cheating with. And like you see in this video, the problem with it is that the person that you are cheating on your significant other with do not want the extra load. They do not want to be your boyfriend. They do not want to be your husband. They do not want to be anything else but the side piece. It's not like I'm saying it's completely impossible because some people have done it, but there's a higher percentage of people that do not want the extra load. They don't want to deal with the stress. They don't want to deal with you having a bad day at work. They don't want to deal with the kids. They don't want to be doing laundry, worrying about money problems. They don't want anything like that. The only reason you guys are always happy when y'all with each other is because they are just fulfilling the things they are supposed to do with you. They're all the side piece. And for a lot of people who think they could just replace their actual significant other that's actually doing everything in their power to keep the relationship going with somebody you just met 3 months ago, that's why a lot of relationships don't last the way they're supposed to. It's because a lot of people have the same mindset as this young lady. The guy that you're messing with, he doesn't want to become a stepdad. He doesn't care about how your day went. That's the reason why you guys have specific time to have fun and do whatever you usually do to satisfy each other. And the reason why you guys are always happy is because he already knows, she already knows the job to do. Once they are done with that, that's it. We'll see each other next week. And what's unfortunate about this entire thing is that there are so many people with that same mentality. There are so many people who think they could just leave the relationship and replace their significant other with somebody they don't even know do not want to be there. They don't want the extra load. They don't want to be with you for real. They already know you have a stressful life. That's why you are with them. And what's crazy about it is that sometimes the husband that's cheating on their significant other do not know how many their side piece actually have. And you're wondering why there are so many diseases all over the place. It's because the people that you're messing with, you do not know how many other people they are messing with. Next thing you know, you bring something back to your significant other without understanding that the person that you are currently messing with could be messing with a bunch of other people. And that's why I always tell folks, if you tried everything and you realize the relationship is no longer what it's supposed to be, or you cannot bring it back to the path it used to be, it's best to leave the relationship. Because sometimes trying to satisfy yourself somewhere else just to keep the relationship going could be one of the worst things you could do to yourself and to your significant other. So by watching this video, if you are going through something like that, my advice to you is to stop and rethink your options. Because unfortunately, the person that you're cheating on your significant other with is not down for you the way you think they are. On that note, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If I've missed something in the process, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. Peace.